tengah tunggu trendsetters. Betul tak, Wan?
Inside my heart, I'm all alone. The rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together. Oh yeah. And all my love, I'm holding on forever.
How's your experiences so far today, Mr. Shazwan? An Arsenal fan?
We went through the top now. I'm waiting for my biryani now.
He's trying to change the topic.
10 biryani.
We are talking about Arsenal.
The Arsenal is awesome.
And their inability. And their inability to win any trophy for the past.
This season will be the season.
They kept saying that
is the champions
for the past how many years? Okay, understood. So let's see. Have right there.
Luak samceh.
Macam sedap. Macam Abang Sacok, satu suria sudah tunggu. Dia minum itu teh. Recommend ke tak recommend? Berapa star bagi? Yes, Mr. Hidayat. What do you have to say for today's trip? Tiring. Come on, man.
We are always waiting for Mr. Arfi, the man behind the camera.
Come on. Come on, man. I'm the cameraman. I have to prepare a lot of things. You guys will never understand. Hey, Wan, bila kau nak minum teh? Okay. They serve plain water, so this is the iced coffee. Finally, dia minum. Epic moment in our epic journey. Ada orang kat belakang yang minum.
Okay, two compliments. Lipton. Sorry. Drink with the mango tea. Okay, compliment you. Okay, sorry.
Very good. No. We know the real reason. Look at his face. His IC states he's Indian. So this is where he gets the benefits.
Do you know what kind of shop are you in?
Oh, isn't it a good thing? Come on. This is why he got 2 free iced lemon teas. Okay? He played the race card. Free ice drinks. Okay. Yes.
What happens in Vietnam?
Stays in Vietnam.
How was the new day, man?
Mana tripod saya?
So I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take me there, where the skies are blue, to see you once again, my love. Overseas from coast to coast, to find the place I love the most, where the fields are green, to see you. myself from thinking, oh no. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are.
So we just conquered the desert trail. Shows one. We will find out.
We are in the middle of nowhere, and our headlight just came off. And testimony to the kind of road that we have went, the kind of riding. Our leader, more things to do.
Basically, what he's trying to say is that he's not skilled enough to tackle these kind of roads. So,
If I wasn't skilled enough, I'll be right
so
back.
we'll ignore that and go through the headlights.
If I wasn't skilled enough, I would still be right there, at the back. I would be here.
Eh, sudah boy. I overtook you a few times.
It's not about who or not, but I finished first.
Then I drop your bikes. Kau dah jatuh berapa kali? Kau dah jatuh apa tadi?
Huh?
Oh, well, not on the bike. Sudah.
Songs we sang together, oh yeah. And you're my love, I'm holding on forever. Reach for the love that seems so far. So I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take me there, where the skies are blue. searching for the love that seems so far. So I
kau on engine kau. Takkan kau nak tolak? Rev sikit-sikit je, rev sikit-sikit je. Tarik. Pijak batu tu. Batu tu. Bukan lawan. Tayar belakang kau kena pijak batu tu. Batu besar kenapa? Ni batu ni. Tayar belakang kau kena pijak batu ni baru boleh naik. Okey. Macam kita nak pergi mountain biking ni. Clutch lepas sikit-sikit. Throttle maintain, clutch je, main clutch je. Okey. Okey, tolak, depan tolak sikit. Kau take over. Kau take over kamera so. Kau cukup. Ni susah kita. Sampai pun. Lagi satu. Tiba-tiba daripada mana. Tu lagi syok saya masuk video kita. Kecoh gila ke? Batu dia tak keluar. Alright. Selamat kita ke sebelah. Ikan asin.
It's kind of funny how life can change, can flip 180 in a matter of days. Sometimes love works in mysterious ways. One day you wake up, gone without a trace. I refuse to give up, I refuse to give in. You're my everything. I don't wanna give up, I don't wanna give in. So everybody sing. One love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love, gotta stay alive. I will survive. One love for the city streets, one love for the hip hop beats, one love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need. Late at night, I'm still wide awake. Think this is far more than I can take. I thought my heart could never break. Now I know that's one big mistake. I refuse to give up, I refuse to give in. You're my everything. I don't wanna give up, I don't wanna give in. No, no. Everybody sing. One love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love, gotta stay alive. Oh, I will survive. One love for the city streets, one love for the hip hop beats, one love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need.
That's right.
Baby, just love me, love me, love me. Baby, just hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, love me, love me, love me. Oh, yeah. One love, baby, just love me, love me, love me. Love me. Baby, just hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, love me, love me, love me. Oh. One love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love, gotta stay alive. Oh, I will survive. One love for the city streets, one love for the hip hop beats, one love. Oh, I do believe one love is all we need.
No, man. It's like 600K. Oh, the Netherlands. You guys? Singapore. Singapore. Is there something special about that place? Yeah. You guys know if there's like more of those routes we did today? So what's the name of the place you guys going? Otherwise we just go there as well. Like on the K. Bit more. You got connection over here, right?
Yeah, we bought the 3G, the local 3G.
We don't have anything.
You should buy it. It's quite cheap, about $15.
Yeah, true. Like,
Where are you from now?
Singapore.
so what's the name of the place?
Donghoi, D-O-N-G-H-O-I.
Dong Boy. Do you remember that? Dong Boy?
Just seems like a really big place.
Yeah. It's like another 3 hours.
You were driving in front of us on the mountain.
Yeah.
How long you guys staying in Vietnam for?
Since the 20th in here, planning to go back end of the month. Probably go around Hanoi, go Halong Bay.
So, you go for that with me there as well?
You want? Yeah.
Man, ni kita crack lah, so ni lembu jalan tu.
Kau magic ke?
Lembu dia jalan je.
Dia macam timbang sikit lah, but tu jalan okey dia.
Lembu ke bear?
Lembu.
Hai chị mấy thửa đây, hãy dâu.
Yesterday only came now.
Ada soalan.
Damn, son. Aku rasa smoker selang lebih clean suci.
Rasa pun ya. Dah korang dah laju gila ni ya. Mana lagi motor baru. Anjing kena overhaul.
It's 12 and still
where we are.
100.
Now we are stranded. The rain is too heavy to carry on. So we are taking shelter with the cows. Muka maintain muka. Give some
Macam
comments.
sejuk kau kan? Ha? Sejuk tu. Tak lah, tengah panas. Panas kali. Kan boleh berlalu habis.
See, Arsenal can't even keep you warm.
Yeah guys, let's do this man. Rain or shine. Be right on.
We come from humble beginnings and who could have guessed it when you sit and doubted and things ain't all that bright, but we made it through the night.
Chocobai. Chocobai.
Dah habis lah kau cukup baik kau.
This one not blue.
Ni.
Inside.
Dah.
Oh. Min. Oh.
Đây không?
Berapa? Oh banyak kau nak?
Gini banyak.
Sedap ke benda ni? Ni custard sedap. Premium cupcake.
Đôi cái này.
Oh, it's like a game of truth and dare. If you can make it here, you make it anywhere. That's what we've been told.